Introduction of fractions. So, fraction is a part of a whole. In math, the number is expressed as a quotient in which the numerator is divided by the denominator. Quotient, a quantity, is produced by the division of two numbers like this. Numerator and denominator. The top number of the fraction is called the numerator and the bottom number in the fraction is called the denominator. And the line between them is called the fraction bar. Let us
Comparing fractions. How to compare fractions? First, we have to make sure whether the denominators are the same or not. When comparing with the same denominator, the fraction with the bigger numerator is the larger fraction. If two fractions have the same denominator, you can just compare it straightforward. Whereas for fractions with different denominators, you have to find a common denominator and then compare the numerators. How to find a common denominator? We can do cross multiplication like shown on the picture. Or we can find the least common denominator, which is the smallest multiple the denominators share.
addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition. Step 1. Make the denominator same. So the denominator of 1 over 4 is 4 and 3 over 5 is 5. So obviously it's a different number, so multiply the denominators if it's a different number. 4 times 5 equals 20 and then write 20 down there. And next, cross multiply the numerators. 4 times 3 equals 12 and 1 times 5 equals 5. So write 12 plus 5 and then add up the numerator. 12 plus 5 is 17, so write 17. So if we can simplify, just simplify, but we cannot simplify this, so this is the final answer. 7 over 20. And now subtraction. We have the same way, make the denominator same. Multiply the denominator if it's a different number, right, 20. And then cross multiply the numerators. And then 12 minus 5 is 7, and then write 7. We cannot simplify, so this is the final answer. Thank you.
How to conversion between improper fractions and mixed numbers. First, you need divide the numerator by the denominator. Next, keep the remainder as the numerator of the new fraction part. The denominator stays the same. Put the remainder first and put the remaining numerator on top of the denominator. So this is the example. Thank you.
Number 5. Multiplication of fraction. To find the multiplication for fraction, take this as an example. When multiplying 4 over 5 and 3 over 7, we must multiply the two numerators 4 and 3 and denominators 5 and 7. Answer should be in simplest form.